Hey, this is Shay, and I know you've been looking for ways to make money online because you clicked on this video. And right now, I actually want to show you a campaign that I recently started, and up until now, today, I've only ever shown my students. But I know you're looking to make money online, and my goal is to try and help as many people as I can do just that. So let me jump straight over to the network where I'm making this money, okay? I'm going to jump in here and show you some stats of the recent campaign that I just started. And the reason why I show a new campaign like this, especially to my students, is so it continues to motivate them. It's so important to take action on something that you recently learn. And the reason why I show new campaigns that I recently start is because it proves that if you know what you are doing, you can start new money-making campaigns online anytime you want to. You just need someone to show you how to do it. So this is the network here, and it's just on today back to yesterday. So I'm just going to go the 8th. I'll go 8th. This is when I started this campaign specifically. So the 8th of May to today, the 11th, and I'll just hit run. Okay, so, and I'll just bring out these campaigns here. Now these two at the bottom are just more so testing campaigns, but of course I'll still add those funds to the main campaigns. So what I do is I run traffic through my sites and multiple other ways, and this is exactly what I teach. But whenever someone clicks on one of my links, I get paid. And this is a very unique method as well. Not many people even know about it or use it, still even to this day. So I'm always very excited about showing people this because, you know, more people need to know how easy it can be again if you have someone showing you what to do. So as you can see, I recently started on the 8th. It's the 11th of May today, and the 8th also was more than halfway through the day. I would say I started it at night, probably the last quarter of that day. Alright, and today is the 11th and we are not quite to halfway through the day. Alright, so if we add all that up, it's technically less than 3 days even. So I'm just going to say 3 days. If you average that out, the total, it's around $250 a day. And I know it will get to that average definitely by today, going by the stats and everything I've got coming through. And that's it. That's all there is to a $250 per day campaign. But I know you are looking for ways to do this yourself. And that's exactly what myself and my team are here to help you do. And as I said earlier, I have students that I teach everything I do to them, but it's not going to be around forever. I'm more about quality than quantity, so you have to take action right now. Take action. Click the link in the description right now of this video. The link will be at the top of the description. Click on that link right now so you can head over to my site, and I'll actually just visit my site right now as well, just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm on my site right now, and all you have to do to get access to everything I'm doing and more is just enter your email address. Okay, type in your email, hit the instant access button, and as soon as you get my welcome email, if you have any questions straight away or you need to tell me something based on this video, just hit reply on that email, okay, because that reply comes directly to me, and I'll answer any questions you have. So again, if you haven't already, to get access to this campaign, the inner workings of what I'm actually doing and what I teach and show my students right now, click the link in the description at the top right now. Okay, and once you're on my site here, enter in your best email address and click the instant access button. That will give you instant access. And I'm going to start showing you exactly how you also can get to that next level and really truly start making money online. So do it now, take action, and I'll talk with you soon.